Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are gonna learn how to get gems fast in Eatventure. So without further ado, let's find out. So as you can see, when this investor comes here, so this is the first step and he automatically came here, so that's why I'm giving you the first step here. So once the investor come, make sure to claim it. As you can see, he is giving me 6 gems for free. I will have to just click on claim, and that way you will be able to get the gems. You will have to watch an ad, but it's worth it if you are just starting out and you want to get the gems faster. So just click on claim and then you will be able to get the gems. So I will not click right now, so you can click on it. And other way that you can do is you can just go to shop and then you can buy this 2 times all profit forever. It's worth it, you can buy it, and that way you will have twice the profit every time, and it is forever, it won't expire, so that way you can have it. And also you need to keep upgrading your to the max level, and that way you will have the gems faster, and you can upgrade it if you have coins. So that's why I told you to get the double, to buy this all profit forever. That way you will have the gems faster because you will be able to upgrade. So right now I can turn this to other shop, and that's how you can get the gems faster. Just upgrade it, and as you can see, if you have the coins you will be able to upgrade it faster. So that's it for today guys. Make sure to hit the like button.